Tamenglong district ki Faitol amasung Kangpopi district ki El Hengjol Kholdagi security force na punna Kuki-Khulai paiba mioi mga phajinkhibabu yaningdaba phongdoktuna ngasi state asida Kuki-Zo Singna Khundaba Mapham Singda Pung taranithoi ki total shutdown Khongjang Changsilli Kuki Manipur ngarang lauthoki bagi matungina ngase yo pung 6 tagi hauraga nomedang wairam pung 6 taba fawba total shutdown ki Khongjang Changsinanaba firef lokibani Kuki-Zo Singna Khundaba state asige Shutdown Kangpopi amasung Tengnopal district yauna tongan Mapham Singda miyamna wakan phamduna security force ki thongbu akan mamoongda yaningdaba phongdokpaga loidina Khongjang Changsilli wakan miphamda saru yakiba Kuki-Zo miyamna Kuki village volunteer sing security force na phabe yaroi phajinkhiba volunteer sing athubada thadokadabani Kuki-Zo singi mathakta chathariba security force ki miyot minei lepkadabani haina Thaba pleka sing sizinabagi loinina pendabagi kholaw sing lauki Changsilli ba total shutdown ki Khongjang asina maram moiduna Shutdown Kangpopi amasung more yauna Tengnopal district ta kaithel sing thongdonaki laloliti ki thabak lepkhibaga loinina miyam ki passenger service sing su lepkhibaga loinina miyam ki mahusa ki punchi da chauna akaiba piri adumoinamag hauzik phawbagi oina Khongjang Changsilli ngai manungda ka hena pamda thongdok sing thokhibagi paudi leitri security force su mafam kya da ngak senbagi thabak paikhatli Amarom dangarang numidangsu Kangpopi district headquarters da miyamna Khongjang Changsilli loinina ASP ki office tamna thomjinduna pen da big kholaw ki asulaw ke Kuki mioi manga phajinkhibabu thongbu yaningdaba phongdoktuna Kuki-Zo na Khundaba state asigi Mapham Singda Kuki Manipur na pung 12 ki total shutdown da Kuki Sadar Hills na Saugatuna ngasi Vengfi Kaithelmanbi Military Council da sit-in protest chathakre State Force amadi Central Force na Kangpopi district ki El Hengjol Khulda chathakiba thawongbu Kuki Sadar Hill na yaningdaba phongdoktuna thawongbu mioi bagi hak matpani haiki Village se Faibasi Kuki tribe ki di amna wangba thakta ikai khumnabani haidi bampham asida nongmai round chamba yankai hena kapsinduna hat lagi matagum tawba si yaningde NIM Central Force na thabak tawbada michang mikhai naibigano Kuki singbu arrest warrant yaudna hekta phaba yaningde maramaduna Kuki Manipur na kauriba pung 12 ki total shutdown asi mapung fana sogatuna sit-in protest asi chathabani hairi
The 10th July 2024, the Kuki-Zo population of Sadar Hills Kangpopi district assembled here in Kaithelmanbi military colony, organized sit-in protest against the atrocities targeted towards Kuki-Zo volunteers organized by Kuki Sadar Hills. The mission today was to send a message firstly to the central government that we do not appreciate this selected targeting of central forces and agencies amongst the Kuki-Zo population. We have seen it, we have been witness. There are social media videos everywhere. The central forces seems to remain inactive or rather incapacitated to apprehend or to arrest such miscreants based in Imphal Valley. That this kind of selected targeting of the Kuki-Zo volunteers is not appreciated by the Kuki lynching or targeted arresting of Kuki-Zo volunteers continues. There will be other forms of protest being initiated by Kuki